Hello, I'm Tim from Main Street Digital Academy, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own tincture oils at home, saving you about 90% off retail prices. If you stay to the end, I'll give you a code to get your CBD at half price. Now, if you've watched any of our other videos, you know we make our concentrated CBD at 400 milligrams per milliliter. This makes it very easy to measure out any amount that you want. I'm going to make a 1 ounce 1500 milligram tincture, the same as you would purchase at any store, just like this, and use an MCT coconut oil as the carrier oil, which most CBD manufacturers use, including us. If you're a member of the MSDA Superstore or use the code I'll give you at the end of this video, this 1500 milligram tincture will cost about $7.50 for the CBD and about $1 to $1.50 for the MCT. So about a total of $8.50 to $9 to make versus $50 to $95 at retail. So here's my 1 ounce bottle that I'm going to use. Here's the CBD at 400 milligrams per milliliter. This is our MCT oil. Here's our dropper. And here's our 3 milliliter syringe. That's all you need. Now you can always reuse the bottle, dropper, and the syringe, so you only have to buy those things once. And that's why I'm only pricing the CBD and the MCT oil. I'm now going to measure out the 1500 milligrams of CBD, and I can do that in several ways. I can measure out a full 3 milliliter first, which would be all the way to the top of here. That gives me 1200 milligrams. Remember, it's 400 milligrams to each milliliter. And then measure out 300 milligrams, which would be the first quarter mark below the 1 milliliter. I can measure out 750 milligrams twice, or 800 milligrams first and 700 milligrams next. It makes no difference. Now if I was going to do 800 milligrams, that's 2 milliliters because there's 400 milligrams per liter. And then the 700 would be 1/4 mark below the 800. Like I said, it makes no difference. It all comes out to 1500 milligrams. So I'm going to use the 700 and the 800. So I'll fill the syringe to the 800 mark, and then we'll do the 700. So right there is 2 milliliters. 800 milligrams. Now I'm going to put the 700 milligrams, which is a 1/4 mark below the 2 milliliter. And I don't know if you can actually see that, but it is 1/4 milliliter below. And we're going to put that in. That gives us a total of 1500 milligrams of CBD. Now, if I was going to use flavoring, I'd put that in right now, but right now I'm not going to. I usually add about 2 milliliters of any type of flavoring to a 1 ounce bottle that I want to use. Now I'm going to fill the rest of the bottle to the beginning of the neck right here. So we're going to do that. You can see We're going to put the dropper in, and I squeeze the dropper as I put it in because I don't want it overflowing. That's to get some of the solution in the dropper. And then we're going to shake it up. Now what you want to do is squeeze the dropper 4 or 5 times. That's to get the mix in the dropper that you just made. And there you have it. It's that easy. Now if you want to get your CBD, MCT oil, your flavorings, bottles, droppers, etc., go to Main Street Digital Academy and click on the MSDA Superstore. And now, since you stayed at the end, to get your CBD at half price, use code half-cent CBD at checkout. You can only use the code once, so get whatever you think you'll need or want. If you want to continue getting your CBD at half price, along with everything else, including your droppers, bottles, etc., join our membership. Now you can get a free lesson book on making your own tinctures by going to mainstreetdigitalacademy.com and clicking on Tinctures. One of the chapters in the lessons gives you visual instructions on how to exactly measure the CBD, just like we did here, so you know exactly what you're using. So go to mainstreetdigitalacademy.com and click on the product you want to learn. The lessons are free, and we'll even email the instructions to you. It costs you nothing. You have nothing to lose. So thanks for watching, and hit the like button if you found this helpful, and be sure to subscribe for future videos. Have a great day.